Welcome to the fifth HTHP Symposium here in Copenhagen.
The symposium has a very specific topic and is dedicated to high-temperature heat pumps, and this makes it stand out in the group of conferences.
You can discuss any topics, any concerns, any future opportunities, future collaboration between parties.
I'm super amazed by all the companies being here. We have 37 companies in the exhibition area, having the new equipment, being ready to go out into industry and make an impact there.
I think in the next 2 years we will see a lot more companies being ready for the heat pump installation and a lot more projects actually being done.
The technology is ready, but there are still some barriers to be overcome, be it policy, economics in terms of cost reductions, as well as infrastructure. I think what will drive the change in the sector is making electricity cheaper than fossil fuels.
One point that will be really important is further standardization of the technology that should bring down costs and also accelerate the rollout.
Over the next 2 years, everybody needs to work together to make this happen.
Well, we can clearly see that competition is driving the market, and this is good for the end users, but also for the sector as a whole, because it's creating trust in the sector and thereby will also contribute to the development as a whole. Technologies need to be designed for industrial reality. They have to be proven, they have to be validated.
Otherwise, it could undermine the confidence in the sector if they are implemented and not working well.
The clients, the factories rely on those kind of technologies. So when they switch the button, the system has to run without any question, without any delay. So reliability is key.
Translating technical potential into targets and roadmaps gives a clear direction that can build confidence to the investment.
So if we really want to make an impact, industry and decarbonizing of industrial heat needs to pick up speed.
Politics can delay or accelerate the technology rollout and deployment, but it cannot stop it because the shift has started, the technology is rolling out, you see the enthusiasm and the innovations here, so it will happen in any way, so that's very hopeful.
I think this is the right moment because energy security and decarbonization goals are one of the top priorities at the European level.
We do have a challenge, and we do have to tackle that challenge. There's no alternative, and if we don't do it, in the next 5 years it's even more severe. You cannot change things if you're just doing everything like you did the last 20 or 30 years.
Well, we have seen many demonstration projects being realized here, and there are different outcomes of it. There are great components, standardized, the things can be scaled and replicated, and moreover, there are end users who got a lot of trust in this technology. They want to scale it and roll it out to different sites. I think the next 2 years will be super crucial for the sector. I believe the heat pumps are ready to make an impact and very much looking forward to the next years.